Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing some M&M characters, the chocolate type rather than the singer. As always, I freehand a pencil sketching using a 2H Caran D'ache pencil. For this drawing, I didn't want to outline the characters with the black permanent marker, the fine line marker that I use for a lot of my anime and manga drawings. I wanted these characters to look slightly more realistic. I've recently drawn a Pac-Man character, and I really enjoyed trying to get a very spherical and dimensional look to the character. So this started me thinking about drawing these M&M characters. I'm going to use exactly the same technique as I did with the Pac-Man cartoon character. I'm going to link the video of the Pac-Man above so that you can watch that as well. But I use Copic markers for the majority of this drawing. So the basic 5 colours, I've used the orange, which was a chrome orange. I used a standard yellow. I used a cadmium red. I used a sky blue. The green was a emerald green, and I used a dark brown for the character in the centre. I then used a black FABER PITT pen for the black areas in the mouth and the eyebrows and around the eyes. And then I went over a layer with a black coloured crayon just to bring some dimension to the actual shape of the characters. So as you can see on the yellow character now, I'm actually adding the black coloured marker around the bottom edge in the left hand side, just to make the object look as though it's got dimension and shape to it rather than being a flat object. This is a really important skill. One of the most important skills I think you can learn as an artist is to learn how to draw a sphere. Once you've mastered the sphere, you can then make something look rounded rather than flat, whether that's a nose, an arm, a finger, a part of a face, a head, or in this case, some M&M characters. So you can really turn your hand to anything then. I used a UNIBALL SIGNO broad white pigment pen just to bring out some highlights on the left side of some of the characters. And I used a peach colour for the arms and the legs. All in all, this took me about 3 hours to draw from start to finish. I'm adding a comic panel background now, and I'm going to leave the top sticking out of the characters over the panel just to make it look as though it's standing off of the page. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The links to all of my social media are down below. And don't forget to send me your requests. I am currently doing request videos, really enjoying the variety that you guys are sending me. So don't forget to send me your requests. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.